Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive folder and upload files. Go to your browser and type drive.google.com. Then you will be taken to Google Drive. There's another way to open Google Drive. To that, you have to go to your Gmail, then click Google Apps, then select Drive, and that's it. This is the second way to open Google Drive. Now I'm going to show you how to create a folder and upload files. To do that, simply click New and select New Folder and put a name and select Create. The second way to create a folder is by clicking My Drive and select New Folder and put a name and press Create. So in My Drive, you can see all the folders you just created. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways to upload files to any folder. Simply click the folder and right click and press File Upload and select the file you want and press OK. And the next way is by clicking New and press File Upload. Select the file you want and press OK. And third way is by going to File Explorer and simply drag the file you want to upload. There you can see the file is uploading. Now to share the drive with anyone, you have to go to My Drive and select the 3 dots of the folder which you just upload the file with and go to Share and again press Share. Now in General Access, click anyone with the link and copy the link and just send it to anyone you want to send. That's it. So in this tutorial, I showed you how to create a folder, then how to upload a file to the folder and how to share this folder. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. Peace.